everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 487 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Amuse Spot Cover Up and Contour Crayon, and I got this from ShopMissA. So this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. I got this in the shade number 6, which is the contour shade. But okay, let me show you what this looks like. Okay, look at this shade. So this is the contour shade, the darkest shade. And when I first opened this, I was like, is that the highlight shade? Is that the pink shade, the peach shade? Because this does come in some color correcting shades. But no, this is the contour shade, the darkest shade available. So for people with deeper skin tones, this is very disappointing. Okay, and that's as much product as you get. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch it. I mean, it swatches the same color as it looks here. It does go on pretty creamy though, that's nice. And then it has at the end here a cushion to blend it out. So let's see how that does. Oh gosh, it's kind of more like an eraser, and it sheds like there's little black pieces of foam left on my hand. Okay, I'm glad I tested this out on my hand and not on my face, because in order to give this product the best chance at performing well, I'm going to use my typical beauty sponge to blend it out and not this tool here. I love the idea of this, of it being a double-ended product with one end to blend it out, but this is just not very good quality. But so when I look at myself in the monitor right now, I think that I look so funny. I look like a ghost. I have really no color to my skin except for some bold brows going on. So let's add some color and contour to my face. So I'm just gonna start out by applying this to contour my cheekbones. Gosh, I cannot believe that this is a contour shade. This would actually, because it's peach, probably be good for color correcting dark under eye circles. That may be the use that I find for this, but I'm not gonna give up just yet. So going in with my sponge, see how this blends out. I mean, it's actually blending out really nicely. I do really like the texture of this product. Okay, let's go in with a little bit more. It's not super buildable though. I feel like that didn't really make it look that different. But on my super fair skin tone right now, this actually works pretty well. And I like how it applies. It's not moving the foundation underneath, which is good. This is super creamy, glides on really easily. I just lightly touch my face. So let's go ahead, even contour out the nose a bit. And my forehead. I wish that they made this color more of like a deeper bronzy shade though, because so few people can actually make this work. But because the formula is good, I bet those color correcting versions of this product are pretty nice. It definitely has a red tone to it. So for people with red, pink undertones to their skin, like me, it's pretty nice. All right, so I do have some subtle color and definition in my skin now. And it's, like I said, it's very subtle. I personally would want to go in with another product on top of this, but it's not terrible. For $1, it's okay, but I do like how it sits on my skin. So I'm really impressed by this formula. Maybe they'll come out with more shades of this someday, and that is something that I'd be really interested in. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite contour crayons are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.